Maddie, and I'm your robotics educator, and today we're going to be going through Speed Across the Finish Line. Before we get started, there's a couple of items you'll need at home. Actually, just one item: masking tape. Included inside your Clover crate is a little instructions to tell you what you're going to be doing, a pre-made axle wheel piece with a little orange piece attached, a motor with another one of those orange pieces attached, 2 wheels, a straw, a battery, a base, and then a skewer right at the end. Our first step is going to be assembling that second axis for our wheels. So we're going to need that skewer, the 2 wheels, and the straw piece. What we're first going to do is put our straw onto the skewer. It can kind of just rest in the middle. It's going to slide around, which is what we want. And then we're going to just take our little wheel pieces and we're just going to pop them on to the end on both sides of the skewer. And if you have any glue at home, you can glue these into place, but you do not have to. I'm not going to glue mine into place, but if you find them falling off easily, you might want to. For this next part, we're going to be combining our axis with our wheels to the body of our car. You want to make sure that they are as kind of far on both sides as they can be. And we're going to use the masking tape and we're going to tape the straws into place. Make sure to not tape the skewer, otherwise the wheels won't be able to turn. Awesome, now that we have our wheels on, we want to make sure we're going at this for the side with the orange piece. The orange pieces are supposed to be on the same side, and actually a really good distance that we need to put our orange pieces is about 1 full length of the battery that we included. So I'm going to kind of measure so I know exactly where I need to put my motor. And what we're going to do is we're going to tape our motor onto our base. Now that we've attached our motor, what we're going to do is we're going to take that rubber band, you can kind of see it right here, this rubber band that was attached, and we're going to put it in that little rut area of the orange pieces so it goes across and makes like a pulley system. Now finally, we're going to just be attaching our battery and then hooking the battery onto the wires. So what we're going to do is you can kind of place this battery wherever you want. I'm going to put it right down at the bottom, and then all you have to do is tape these little tips into each of the spots. As you can see, my motor's already going. And then you'll have it ready to go, so then the wheels can spin like this. I hope you liked making your car, and of course you can add any decorations you want. Have fun racing your friends. Bye!